Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by Skilled MBA. The Benetton Group's transformation into Edizione Holding Company marks a strategic pivot from fashion to infrastructure. This shift was driven by the need to diversify and stabilize revenue streams. The transition involved restructuring and focusing on sectors like transportation and telecommunications, reflecting a broader trend of family businesses evolving to adapt to market demands. Edizione's transformation from the Benetton Group highlights a strategic pivot from fashion to infrastructure. This shift was driven by the need to diversify beyond the cyclical nature of fashion, ensuring long-term stability and growth. The holding company structure facilitated this transition, allowing the Benetton family to maintain control while expanding into new sectors. Edizione originated as a financial vehicle to reinvest profits from the Benetton fashion brand, founded in 1965. The United Colors of Benetton campaigns revolutionized fashion marketing with bold social messaging. The holding company structure allowed diversification beyond fashion, preserving wealth and maintaining family control while expanding into new sectors. Edizione's expansion beyond fashion began in 1981 with its establishment as a holding company. By 1995, it acquired shares in Autogrill, entering the food and beverage sector. The late 1990s marked a major shift with the acquisition of Autostrade per l'Italia, followed by diversification into telecom, airports, and real estate, transforming into a diversified conglomerate. Edizione's strategic pivot to infrastructure offered stable cash flows and protection from fashion industry volatility. Long-term concession agreements ensured revenue visibility, while significant barriers to entry safeguarded their position. Autostrade per l'Italia, managing 3,000 kilometers of highways, became a key asset, representing half of Italy's toll road network. On August 14, 2018, the Morandi Bridge in Genoa tragically collapsed, resulting in 43 fatalities and numerous injuries. This disaster, occurring on the A10 motorway managed by Autostrade per l'Italia, sparked national outrage over infrastructure maintenance, led to government threats of revoking concessions, and severely damaged Edizione's market value and the Benetton family's reputation. The Benetton family's delayed response to the Genoa bridge collapse was seen as indifference, fueling public outrage. Autostrade executives focused on regulatory compliance, neglecting moral accountability. The Italian government, led by populists, threatened nationalization and initiated criminal probes, escalating the crisis from a subsidiary issue to a potential existential threat for Edizione. In 2022, Alessandro Benetton became chairman of Edizione, marking a pivotal leadership transition. With a Harvard Master of Business Administration and experience at Goldman Sachs, he founded 21 Invest and previously chaired Benetton Group. Alessandro introduced modern corporate governance and professional management, transforming the traditionally family-controlled business into a more dynamic and transparent entity. Alessandro orchestrated a strategic reset by divesting Autostrade per l'Italia for $9.3 billion, enhancing corporate governance with independent directors and transparency. He defended against ACS's takeover attempt of Atlantia and repositioned the portfolio towards airports, digital infrastructure, and sustainable investments, ensuring Edizione's resilience and growth. The current portfolio is diverse, spanning infrastructure and mobility with airports in Rome, Nice, and Venice, and toll roads outside Italy. It includes digital infrastructure, global food and beverage operations through Autogrill, and real estate holdings. Fashion and retail investments focus on the Benetton Group, while agriculture involves significant holdings in Argentina and Italy. Benetton's fashion segment has seen revenues plummet from $2.1 billion in 2000 to under $1 billion by 2021, with consistent losses since 2017. The brand struggles against fast fashion giants like Zara and Hennes and Moritz, despite multiple restructuring efforts. This ongoing challenge diverts resources from Edizione's more profitable ventures. Edizione's portfolio reveals a stark contrast in financial performance. While some segments thrive, others, like the fashion business, struggle significantly. This disparity underscores the strategic challenge for Edizione's leadership, necessitating a reevaluation of resource allocation and strategic priorities to ensure overall portfolio health and sustainability. Exploring strategic options for the fashion business, a complete divestiture could maximize returns but sever family ties. Radical restructuring involves cost-cutting and digital transformation, demanding investment with uncertain results. A strategic partnership might revitalize the brand, though it dilutes control. Alternatively, preserving legacy accepts losses to maintain family heritage. The Genoa tragedy accelerated governance modernization at Edizione, highlighting how crises can drive necessary change. Balancing emotional ties with strategic needs is crucial in family businesses. Transitioning from family control to professional management often results from external pressures. Infrastructure ownership demands public accountability, emphasizing responsibilities beyond mere shareholder returns. Thank you for exploring Edizione's journey with us. This case study underscores the intricate balance between family legacy and strategic evolution in business. For further insights and strategy case studies, connect with Skilled MBA through our website or contact us directly.